Yeah, I got that. I got that special cookies. I forgot about that. But I swear I have like a lot. Whatever, I don't give a fuck. Motherfuckers keep calling me. You guys keep thinking he's getting kicked. I'm not getting kicked. The fuck? They might kick me. Yo, is there any way I can turn off calls while I'm on IG Live? Anyone know how to turn that shit off? Cause I'm sick of it, bro. People keep calling me. I don't want to be getting called right now. Who's trying to get me off the live, bro? Like, who the fuck keep calling me? The fuck? What the fuck? I'm tripping balls. Hold on. I'm gonna get off live for like 2 minutes and I'm gonna come back on. Nigga, I'm so stupid. I was fucking holding the fucking the phone on the weed jar. That's so stupid. But now Rug's a great kid. He's just worried a lot about YouTube. He stresses a lot. He's just where I was in like 2016, like where he's stressing over videos and all that. But he's a great kid, bro. That kid, I love that kid. He takes everyone's shit. He don't need to. I love that kid, bro. But I wish you reached out more, but it's all good. I know you're busy. I'm about to take a shit real. I'm about to take a shit real quick.